Back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making tomato powder. This is another way to preserve our tomato. You can turn it into powder. And also I'll be showing you some easy steps on how to make this. Stay tuned. To make tomato powder, you will need ripe tomatoes. I have already washed the tomatoes. I will slice it. Decide to remove or scoop out the seed of the tomatoes. Done slicing the tomatoes, I'll be drying them in the sun. You can also use dehydrator to dry them or oven. Lay the tomato slice on the tray and allow to dry. Take about 4 days to 1 week for the tomato to dry properly, depending on the outdoor temperature. Notice that the tomato have dry. You can store it in airtight container or blend into a fine powder. The tomato into a fine powder. Store in airtight container. Now the tomato powder is ready. You can add it to your pizza sauce, spaghetti, stew, or even use it to fry eggs. Thank you all for watching.